demanding implementation of uniform land law in Manipur. Union Home Minister Amit Shah assures Chief Minister Nongthombam Birane that central government will take all possible steps to bring peace in Manipur. Demanding implementation of uniform land law in Manipur, public rally and meeting held under the banner of United Protection Committee. Viral hepatitis B and hepatitis C medicine stopper for around 2 months, says State Nodal Officer of National Viral Hepatitis Control Program. Relevant department working towards airlifting more hepatitis drugs to Manipur if necessary. And ban on internet services further extended till 3 p.m. of June 30. Internet ban relaxed in certain areas as specified by Manipur government. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Sunday Primetime English Bulletin. I'm BABINA HAJARIMAYUM bringing you the top stories and latest news at this hour. Just a day after an all-political party meeting on present Manipur unrest was convened at Delhi, Chief Minister Nongthombam Birane boarded a charter flight and rushed to Delhi after he was immediately called at the National Capital by Centre. The Chief Minister left Imphal this morning at around 11. Reportedly, after arriving at Delhi, and Birane attended a crucial meeting with Union Home Minister Amit Shah to discuss Manipur crisis and brief about the evolving situation on the ground in Manipur. On a positive note, Union Home Minister Amit Shah promises that central government will expedite every possible steps to bring peace in Manipur. BJP National Spokesperson Dr. Sambit Patra, Rajya Sabha MP Laisemba Sana Jauba, Speaker of Manipur Sri T.H. Satya Brata Singh also accompanied the Chief Minister. In this regard, N. Birane took to Twitter and wrote, under Amit Shah's close supervision, the state and central government have been able to control the violence to a great extent in the past week. He mentioned that there were no report of casualties due to the violence since the 13th of June. This is Birane's first visit to Delhi since the violence that broke out on May 3. It is worth mentioning that Amit Shah chaired the all-political party meeting last afternoon, wherein leaders of various opposition parties had raised demand on resignation of N. Birane from the post of Chief Minister. Demanding implementation of uniform land law in the state and voicing against the sale and purchase of land in Manipur until a uniform land law is implemented, United Protection Committee today held a public rally. United Protection Committee is an umbrella body of different 103 organizations in Oinam, Nambol and Konthozam constituencies. At the rally from Nambol till Utlo, protesters chanted slogans endorsing Manipur's territorial integrity and also demanding removal of Assam rifles from Manipur. Later, a public meeting was also convened at the brick farm in Utlo, Chanura Bazar. Speaking on the occasion, United Protection Committee Media and Publicity Secretary Irengbam Dines stressed on keeping a check on sale and purchase of land until and unless the present issue is sorted out. He also maintained that the committee will continue to raise the demand for uniform land law till it is implemented.
Tampaki lamdamna asitasu ukina lairamba lamsing ekoi leiba yonba yaroi haiba masigi khongjang asi sanction bani hairi khongjang asi ekoi lepaletana sanction geni Manipur lamdam asida uniform land law ama leitriba fawba ekoi hairi khongjang asi lepaletana ekoi na sanction jagani haiduna United Protection Committee Nambol AC Oinam AC amasung Konokjum AC haiduna leiriba mafam AC ahumgi club organization chamaga ahumgi matakta Pulba organization asina uniform le loma lakti fawba tabakda leiba mafam singda leiba lam singasi leiba yonba yaro haibagi khongjang asi sanction sabani.
Maitai Lipun Chief M. Pramod today claimed that the present crisis in Manipur is a result of the policy to carve out a homeland, a country, a state for Kuki by driving out other communities, which is being jointly orchestrated by Kukis who were Indian citizens during the time of British rule and those who illegally migrated from outside after being displaced. Pramod said the Kuki homeland aspiration is driven by the support of drug cartels. The displaced people from outside the country are converted to Christianity once they enter Manipur in order to win the sympathy of Christian missionaries, and they are also used as vote bank, taking advantage of the democratic electoral politics, which is based on number of voters. M. Pramod added that we have overlooked the issue for far too long. He stressed the need for all to come together and chalk out future course of actions.
Powerful element mayam se yauraga makoigi changsalakpa makoigi homeland tanbagi ihauji ngasidi kayam thina khumang chawsalakke haibada lamji mapu akhoida bo khotare ngakthokpa akhoigi duty ne maramdi awa British ato jati na akhoigi leibak tan landaba ga ngakthokpa akoi pai puna toramaga sigi leibak sing nga ami je kari no de mogi future akhoida pina ne bo akoina mo akoi isa issue da piram bai akoi duty ni na cookie jing ngakthok taba yaroi ba cookie na lan tare na akoi chenbe yaroi akoi refugee gi wakhanda leibe yaroi akoi victim oibe yaroi akoi lam mapu akoi na victim na fight tawada nate makhoi ni lam leijadri ji moi ni changa ga akoi da tawri se moi ngakthok ba haibe akoi mari leina ngakthok ba ma changi.
State Nodal Officer of National Viral Hepatitis Control Program, Dr. R.K. Rosie, assured to those living with hepatitis that in spite of the disturbances along the national highway, viral hepatitis B and hepatitis C medicines are stocked for around 2 months in the state. Speaking to Impact News, Dr. Rosie said medical staffs have been facing inconveniences since the communal clash that broke out on May 3. She maintained that the main problem is that medical professionals who are posted in hills cannot stay there, and those who are posted in valley area are not able to serve their duty at their designated locations in wake of the prevailing tensions. Also, those who were trained under National Viral Hepatitis Control Program had faced posting issue. Rosie asserted that most of these issues have been solved and medicines are being provided to those living with viral hepatitis all across the state. She added that displaced victims in relief camps who are infected with viral hepatitis B and are also getting treatment through respective district nodal officers. Dr. Rosie told Impact News that lately no one has turned up for hepatitis screening owing to the present crisis. She informed that the relevant department is working towards airlifting more hepatitis medicines to the state if necessary.
Chaba hoga tokpa yadeba aduna khoina haina ngasai kenu si yamna serious oiba patient ko kenu tawdaba orgadi akhoi ji chronic disease leba acute na teba ko khoina ji lain ga duri se atai aruba acute ki myam se hana loi intho si aduga sina chronic oibanina matam khara tha ama ni chonthaba lain bagi hidak chaba hoga se tha ama ni chonthaba da akai ba leti haidana lori badi akhoi ki kenu si ga ita chone di lai ko internet yadrabanina akhoi di the problem was the portal that having a tour bus, the Gidi, Adubu, Handaki, or in a day, the Tantaras, about the Dickens, the Taro on Hibaneva, Adu wishing the show a young bana, hiding a pump the Leraka, Puggy and the Kanu, Willa, we see Tarpus and the Tartriba.
Progressive Youth Organization Kundrakpam Makalaikai warns of shutting down the relief camp in NB College campus, Kundrakpam Makalaikai, if the 4 volunteers who are in police custody after being arrested by RAF are not released without any condition within June 26. The 4 volunteers were arrested while they were returning after taking a sick inmate to Jenims. Speaking to media at NB College, the organization president Haigruzam Razesor expressed condemnation on the act of RAF. He narrated that the incident took place on the midnight of June 23. He said that 4 individuals were arrested by RAF personnel from a location near Kurai Popular High School and they were handed over to police. The arrested are identified as Irungbam Rahul, age 25, son of Irungbam Shamu, Langpoklakpam Solomon, age of 24 years, son of Langpoklakpam Sarat Chandra, Lausingam Samson, age of 22 years, son of Jugesor, and 22-year-old Akoizam Loyangamba, son of late Akoizam Inau.
Monday numit phawbasidaida akoi condition yaudana thadok taragadi akoi makhatana akoi relief camp da leriba ichilinau jingje nungsiraga ju nungsina akoi da adugi moi jinga makhatana thabak tawminabagi pangandu leraroi sieng hek hawbadagi hawna sarkarna mateng karimta pangbidana Manipur gi mafam kayadagi tongan ba community gi volunteer sida akoi mateng tawbidana mayamsigi chana thangnaba sinjaraga lakpani adubu hojik sarkarna mateng khara pangae akoi yaragadi moji yamna nungaina thamba yarani haiba tanja si lakpa kanda koi volunteer jing da ningba kaina wagi masak amakak tawbirakpa se masi yamna laibak thiningai ni
karigumba mande bang manung da angang mari se tek ta kaidana thadok tar taragadi aikhoi maigai somgi maira paibi madi kalap singa khusam naraga akal ma khongjang changjang gani haiba se aikhoi maira paibi gi site gi haijari.
A press note informed that a team of Sekmai police station commanded by OC Inspector NG Johnson Singh seized illegal liquor and beer cans from 2 persons yesterday. The 2 arrested persons are Amit Limbu, age of 43 years, son of man Bahadur Limbu from Kangla Tongbi AR Colony, and 31-year-old Prakash Kharel, son of Ganga Kharel from Kangla Tongbi Vijaynagar. They reportedly brought the liquor from Assam. Heritage Convent School today felicitated its students who secured positions in Class 10 and 12 examinations conducted by BOSEM and COSEM respectively. Taking pride in the achievement, founder of Heritage School Sanjanbam Bikram maintained that Heritage School has been continuously producing positions holders in Class 10 examination conducted by BOSEM since 2012, and the school, which is participating in Class 12 exam under COSEM for the first time, managed to secure the top positions with a total of 7 position holders. The felicitation program was held at the school campus in Uripok, Bachaspati, Laikai, in which students who secured top 3 positions were rewarded with a cash prize of Rs 5 lakh each, and those who secured 4 to 25th ranks were presented with a cash prize of Rs 2 lakh, while subject toppers were given 10,000 each. The school managed to produce 25 rank holders in Class 10 exam conducted by BOSEM this year, while 21 students were subject toppers. In Class 12 exam, the school produced 7 position holders, while 5 students were subject topper. Speaking further, the founder of the school also announced that Heritage School will provide free education to students who have fled their homes due to the ongoing violence in the state. The school also announced monetary rewards for its 45 teachers who were instrumental in bringing out meritorious students.
Handak displaced the weaver angang mayam sing to the koi lip kim to chere koi needy mayam sing whatever needful we have done. We have given them reach out, and then we have also promised the parents that our school is from standard prep to standard 12, and we are happy to have them. And some of them have already come, and we are providing them free education. We are providing them free education. We are putting them, because many of them don't have any paper, so we are not insisting on any paper. So we say like, okay, we'll put them under a category called displaced category, and then we'll put them according to when we are doing that, and then standard with providing free education.
Prayers for peace and normalcy in the state was offered at Ibudao Marjing Shrine in Haingang. The prayer service was carried out by Haingang Gram Panchayat Pradhan, Upapradhan and Panchayat members. In connection with this, Haingang Gram Panchayat Pradhan K. Sarat highlighted the plights of people as a result of atrocities committed by Kuki militants ever since the violence that erupted on May 3. He said all the communities in Manipur are affected by the prevailing unrest.
Kukila lobasingna iramdam Manipurda elect tawduna leibasi athuba matamda loisanaba loinana Manipur ga apunba saktam ngakna bhidamakta aduga hanagi Manipur gum nungsina ingna sikna amasung sinana leina bhidamakta ekoi hengang chingda leiba budo marjingi khubam masida aikoina koi irat thongi thorambasi koi budong majingi maphamda koi pangkok jabani ngasidagi koi ingna sikpa Manipura ma wairasanu haidana budong majingi maphamda amukka hanar koi no koramdari.
Women vendor owners of Ima Kaithel number 3, shed number 10 and set number 13 also offered prayer to Ima Kunthok Nganbi in Thangwaiban for restoration of peace, harmony and normalcy in Manipur. Peace and tranquility in the state. Praying for peace and tranquility in the state, several people visited the Langol Lairembi shrine in Imphal and offered prayers.
ꯂꯥꯟ ꯑꯁꯤꯕꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯉꯝꯅꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯏꯆꯥꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯊꯦꯡꯅꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯍꯤꯡ ꯅꯨꯡꯊꯤꯜ ꯈꯥꯏꯗꯅ ꯑꯋꯥꯕ ꯇꯨꯝꯕ ꯆꯥꯕ ꯈꯪꯗꯅ ꯂꯩꯔꯛꯏꯕꯁꯦ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯏꯃꯥ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯊꯧꯅꯤꯖꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯏꯆꯥꯁꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯄꯥꯡꯒꯜ ꯁꯛꯇꯤ ꯍꯥꯞꯅꯕ ꯄꯨꯟꯁꯤ ꯆꯦꯡꯖꯦꯡ ꯑꯁꯦ ꯅꯤꯖꯔꯤꯕꯅꯤ ꯏꯃꯥ ꯂꯝ ꯂꯝꯗꯒꯤ ꯂꯥꯛꯄꯤꯔꯤꯕ ꯏꯕꯨꯡ ꯏꯄꯥ ꯏꯃꯥ ꯏꯕꯦꯟ ꯏꯆꯤꯟ ꯏꯄꯥ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯁꯤꯅ ꯏꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯄꯨꯟꯁꯤ ꯆꯦꯡꯖꯦꯡ ꯑꯁꯤꯕꯨ ꯅꯤꯖꯗꯨꯅ ꯄꯥꯡꯒꯜ ꯊꯧꯅꯥꯕꯨ ꯍꯥꯞꯄꯤꯅꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯏꯃꯥꯕꯨ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤꯅ ꯅꯤꯖꯗꯅ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯏꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯃꯐꯝꯗ ꯊꯋꯥꯏ ミレꯟꯕꯨ ꯍꯥꯞꯄꯤꯅꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯁꯣꯏꯈꯤ ꯉꯥꯡꯈꯤꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯃꯁꯨ ꯌꯥꯎꯔꯝꯒꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯅ ꯏꯃꯥꯗ ꯊꯧꯅꯤꯖꯕꯗꯣ ꯂꯥꯛꯆꯔꯤꯕꯅꯤ.
Now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on further suspension of internet services in Manipur till June 30. Keep watching Impact News.
Manipur Institute of Aviation and Hospitality, Changangai Airport Road. Admission open for certification course in air hostess training and airport operations, airline management, diploma course in hotel management and VVOC in hotel management training. Masida Sunatana, Manipur the Ihan Hanba Oina, commercial pilot training admission su Hogjere. Akak number Sydney 100% placement assistance Hamliba institution ni Masida Sunatana airlines kaya da su equity satra kaya amushu placement fangkrabani.
Pointrex Institute of IT gi anova batch ki admission form thazare class 10 12 amadi college student singi oiba computer course singi akupa marol gi damak makhada piriba contact detail asida pau fawira u contact number 825-992-3603 Pointrex branch Thangoiban near DM College, Singjamai near Manipur College, Kongba Bazar.
Imphal Valley Academy, Ghari Makhalaikai Airport Road. Admission open for Class 11 Science and Arts 2023-24. Special features: spacious campus with conducive academic atmosphere, smart class, psychosocial counseling, NEET NG coaching by Kota experts. For more details, contact numbers on the screen.
HSLC exam da 10 position tadna maths amasung higher maths da 100 fangna subject topper oibang ngamjaki pumna makasi sir again ITC gi founder na hotna birapadagi ni amadi ITC gi oza mayamna
ITC coaching center da chalu bum tamdagi atai tuition mayamna pulap lepaga maslam matam pan mugda pura lai awar pa lai gidramina kayam chakida
sir again amasung well qualified oza sing gi guidance makada aina foundation yauzo huzaki study material pirakibaduna ingona kanaba fangki test tobiki revision matam da su question ki bank amju pibi oza sing da naina bagi tanjazu fangali
ITC china ai chajibo atoki mati lai lai sugi maramda mateng pangbiraki
Delta Advanced School, Kwakathil Bazaar. Admission open for Class 11 Science and Arts. Ngasi fawa positioned inspired awardee amli subject topper kaya puthokli ba school asina. Laibak asigi tangdu laitaga figum asina yenglaga. Bosse mabadi CBSE da chada khumfu amadi mathata lakpa satra singi damak sukatagi lupa lishing ama khaktada. Admission tawul khudom chaba pijiri. Khudom chaba asi ahan da lakpa satra chani khaktada pijigani.
Welcome back after the break. You're watching Sunday Primetime English Bulletin. Even as the state enters 56 days of unrest and total disconnect since the violence started on May 3, there is no sign of government lifting the mobile data services, internet data services ban as an order released by Home Department Commissioner T. Ranjit Singh further extended ban on internet services in the state till 3 p.m. of June 30. The order justified the internet ban, citing the risks of people further intensifying the communal tension through anti-social activities using social media and to prevent sharing of inflammatory messages, videos, pictures, which could potentially deteriorate the law and order situation of the state. The internet ban will be relaxed in certain areas as already specified by Manipur government. A press note informed that Youth Forum for Protections of Human Rights Manipur had submitted a memorandum to Manipur Governor Anushriya Uike demanding to carefully look into the cases related to high-handedness of Central Security Force who are deployed in the state in view of prevailing violence. Sit-ins were organized in various areas including Kuyatong and in front of Thangoiban ABC Godown, protesting against the demand of separate administrations. The sit-ins were organized under the aegis of Amuko and Poirei Laimarol Apunba Mairapai B Loop. The representatives of Amuko and Poirei, Leimarol, Apunba, Mairapai, Bilup expressed their oppositions to the demand of separate administration by Kuki militants and Kuki MLAs. Demanding for restoration of peace in the state and condemning narco-terrorism, protest demonstration was staged today at Phumlau Community Hall. Women folk in Phumlau area along with Kokomi coordinator Jitendra Ningombam, Kokomi member W. Second and several others attended the agitations. Agitators also observed a 2-minute silence as a mark of respect to those who were killed in the violence. Wahingbam Laikai, Salam Laikai and Maino Lairak Apunbalup also staged a sit-in at Sagolban Maino Lairak demanding revocation of Sue with Kuki militants and saying no to separate administration demand. Speaking on the sideline, Presidium member of MSW Apunbalup Hizam Ranjita said that the present crisis is a result of attack by immigrant Kuki militants on India's sovereignty, and Meitei women as citizens of India will take on this challenge on India's sovereignty. She also expressed unhappiness over lack of clarity and silence of Home Minister regarding the all political party meeting which was held yesterday. She expressed dissatisfaction over the 50 MLAs who could not act to the challenge on state's territorial integrity by 10 Kuki MLAs.
Status Minister oina leiriba Kuki tarana makoi amatoina punzalaga karino khangdana state amada administration separate by record ni, that is a record sasona malaiba assembly malaiba si kariguma record from the later, but still my demand dawriba aina makoi yankai da haini si sigi phibam masi laba matamda aikoi gi chahi manga gi hak aikoi praja mayambu kendra gi ngakbi gani senbi gani India Manipur gi integrity ngakani haidana wasak paga loinana lakhiba Moina isa isu mangbagi daita moina pugadawni aduga ngarangda honorable chief minister na lepak inge nupising irangde kadai dru ingi bu Delhi daro ingi bo mata da bro mati bi ing da brahaba kachin kwa loya loising mayam de no magi hapa tupa mayam tawri bas ekoi yam pende, but still we are fighting ekoi icha isu gi damakta ekoi nupi mayam lai habase na koina lepi dra ML yankai na koina you magit.
A sit-in was also organized by Universal Mother Organization at Kurkul Bazaar demanding restoration of peace and normalcy in the state. Speaking on the sideline, a member of Kurkul Apunba Mairapaibi Khaidem Sevanandi said the prevailing violent situation in the state has affected the people living around Kurkul. It has disturbed their normal lives. She said people cannot carry out agricultural activities and this has caused fear among people of looming food scarcity. She urged Chief Minister to give assurance that such state of famine will not happen and necessary steps will be taken to avoid food scarcity.
Khungangda leiba mi singdi su nomlaga chaba ngatani maruina lau uraga khon koiraga chaba ngatani aduna lau si akoi jingdagi ising si tharakadaba oibana jingda bunker saraga leiba maramna akoi si jingda kaba su kire aduna ising si puraktaba maramna lau ubasi yararoi kumsigi oina lau si sitlani aduna akoi si chaningai thakningai leitana sibasu siba tarabra haina akoi si yam kiba mi paiba ma pokle oiriba phibam sida CM na akoi bu sorokta thokpiranu imai bensing thokpiranu yumda leibiro haibirabadi akoi gi chahi amagi chaningai thakningai akoina suning ba chatning ba si upai leitrabanina CM na akoi gi kari tawbiba yabage haibado amtang akoida khanghan biu.
Endorsing Manipur's integrity protest demonstration was also staged today at Naran Konjin Mayai Laikai Community Hall. The agitation was jointly carried out by Naran Konjin Mayai Laikai, Naran Konjin Mamang Laikai, Mairapaibi, Sunflower Club and Ideal Youth Club Naran Konjin. Lining Tho Nautingkong Pakhangba Development Committee Mairapaibi Pana also held protest at the locality Community Hall. Agitators chanted slogans demanding implementation of NRC in Manipur and withdrawal of Sue with Kuki militants. Young Progressive Club Apunba Mairapai Bilup Takyal Kolom Laikai and HWWA Hainopok also jointly organized a sit-in at Takyal Kolom Laikai ground presenting their various demands in relation to present violent crisis. They held placards demanding implementation of NRC ST status for Maitai community, removal of Assam rifles, withdrawal of Sioux with Kuki militants and to protect the territorial integrity of Manipur. Naharuk Mayai Laikai Women's Welfare Association, with the support of Lamyanba Organizing Center, organized a sit-in at Naharuk Mayai Laikai Kaitel Macha, showing its stand to uphold the territorial integrity of Manipur today. Protesters also observed 2-minute silence in honor of marchers who have laid down their lives for the sake of saving the unity and integrity of Manipur. They also demanded implementation of NRC in Manipur and to safeguard the territorial integrity of the state. They also urged MLAs to work according to the interest of people. A press release informs all Manipur VDF Welfare Association team led by its chief advisor Wangkhemcha Shamjai today visited Sugnu Sero in Kakching district and interacted with VDF personnel who are on duty. VDF personnel appealed to government to make changes in rules and regulation which were formulated in the time of recruitment. Thongju Kendra Relief Committee under the aegis of Thongju MLA Thongam Bishwajit today organized a visit to Sri Sri Govindaji Temple and throw a feast for inmates of relief camp open at Eastern Ideal College, Akampat. Speaking on the sideline, overall in charge of Thongju Kendra Relief Committee, Dr. Thongam Tilananda said there are 720 displaced people from Churachandpur and More currently taking shelter at Eastern Ideal College, and the relief camp is running efficiently with the support of Manipur government and officials of Education and Health Department, while 70 volunteers from various areas of Thongju constituency are ensuring smooth running of the relief camp. Speaking on the sideline, one of the inmates from Churachandpur, Kurga Tampak Maitai Laikai Kaisam Francis urged government to make arrangement for means of their livelihood. He also drew the attention of government to evacuate 2 Maitais and a Naga who are still stuck in Churachandpur.
Numit yang mangani chupna kada kan find tawdan lerlaba inmate sing khoi camper sing bu ngak to erbasu putoktuna akoi govindagi darshan tawjaba amasung sakle nama khoi phangminaba punama asi akoi khoi honorable minister si thongam bisai singana mayam singi ngak tang kang manung chu oibnina haidana mayam singi yengaga magi on kanoda sinbibani masi damta khoi honorable bisu ngkhoi leitana thagat phongdokjari lenga ki makeida hajaning masi athuba matamda lanjena laba haibidi not only Akampat Ideal College labor nataba punamaki oina policy program ma sinbiduna yamna thuna masa masagi yumda khoi handuna hanagi mahusagi normal sidu porna bohona bada lengangna athumatam mating pangbiu
Churachandpur ji mata khuga dam haibal sida koi 46 AR am le 46 AR gi kemom le victim oiba maitai macha ani naga macha ama ahum ji palla le official line du chenjare adigi civil society mem du chenjare response kitang phangbu wat pasina ai kitang wajaba haitare 40 days mu smai leire moise mafum da 46 AR na noi thokro kanu sainam tawro thokro noi bricks tawro thokro aibo dab ka tawro pa yawba adigi helicopter service leire aga mangunda leiba pocket money natraga magi leijari paisa du loi loi gimna helicopter gi kanugi fare kakpangam dawa sumain tawduna maji ai mayong ri hojik je hanjan phone tawre aina ju upai leijaba aidi misam ni singna je misam mum la aga sida chenba yaba mayam gi dum khar chenjaba khatani SDO ju wari sanajare adigi sanabdu kitang response kitang wat pran khalle baina ju kitang government market gi sentiment am pokpi boina moi ahum jitang rescue tawbiu.
Family members of Led Akoizam Nonganba alias Aging donated financial assistance and edible items to relief camps. Nonganba's family also gave a monetary aid of 10,000 rupees to All Manipur Working Journalist Union AMJU. Family of Nonganba gave the donations in connection with the 4th month death anniversary of Nonganba. Awaba Taraba Singh Tengbang Lup Sagolban, under the supervision of Sagolban MLA RK Imo, provided relief items to people who are taking shelter at various localities under Sagolban constituency. The Lup provided essential items to about 200 people who are currently taking refuge in Sagolban constituency. Coordinating Committee on Club and Organization Manipur, in associations with all Maitai Medicos Union Imphal, conducted a free health camp for inmates of Urup Higher Secondary School, Imphal East. Free of cost medicines were also given to inmates at the health camp. In view of prevailing crisis in the state's social educational voluntary athletic club, Seva Club appeals to debt collectors to refrain from collecting loan debts and interest from locals who are residing under the club's jurisdiction until normalcy is restored in the state. Now the sports news. Royal Academy of Advanced Learning Topsify will take on Nirmala Rani High School, Wangoi in the final of 62nd Imphal West District Under 14 Boys Subroto Mukherjee Football Tournament. In one of the semi-final matches played today, Royal Academy of Advanced Learning Topsify defeated CT Higher Secondary School Mayang Imphal 5-3 in penalty shootout as the team remained level at 2-2 in the given match time. In the second final match, Nirmala Rani High School Wangoi beat CH Thambaumacha High School Mayang Imphal 2-1 to book a place in the final. The final match will be played at 2 p.m. on 27 June. Second Under 17 Boys Imphal West District Subroto Mukherjee Football Tournament being organized by District Youth Affairs and Sports Imphal West at Artificial Turf Ground, Langjing Achoba. Bengun Higher Secondary School thrashed Kha Imphal High School by 2-0 in the third quarter-final match. Jahid and Imran of Bengun Higher Secondary School scored 1 goal each in the 49th and 50th minutes of the match. In the fourth quarter-final match, Manipur Star Institute Tera defeated Kumari High School 4-3. Ibungo of Manipur Star Institute Tera scored 2 goals for the team in 52nd and 57 minutes. Nongsaba and Sanathoi scored 1 goal each in the 20th and 15 minutes of the match. Altogether, 9 teams are competing on knockout basis in the tournament. 2 semi-final matches of the tournament will be played tomorrow morning. Before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Union Home Minister Amit Shah assures Chief Minister Nongthombam Bireen that central government will take all possible steps to bring peace in Manipur. Demanding implementation of Uniform Land Law in Manipur, public rally and meeting held under the banner of United Protection Committee. Viral hepatitis B and hepatitis C medicine stockpiled for around 2 months, says State Nodal Officer of National Viral Hepatitis Control Program. Relevant department working towards airlifting more hepatitis drugs to Manipur if necessary. And ban on internet services further extended till 3 p.m. of June 30. Internet ban relaxed in certain areas as specified by Manipur government. That's all we have in this bulletin. Thank you for being with us. Coming up next is Primetime Manipuri Bulletin. For more news, you can also follow Impact TV on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram and YouTube. Have a great Sunday evening and stay safe.